Decorating your home can be a fun and exciting project that allows you to express your personal style and make your space feel more comfortable and inviting. Here are some tips to help you get started. Plan out your style. Before you start decorating, think about the style you want to achieve. Do you want a modern, minimalist look, or do you prefer a more traditional or eclectic style? Consider your personal tastes and the function of the space you're decorating. Select furniture and decor. Choose furniture and decor pieces that fit with your style and color scheme. Consider pieces that are functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. Add some art. Hang some paintings or prints on your walls to add color and interest. You can also display sculptures or other decorative objects. Mix textures. Combine different textures to add depth and interest to your decor. For example, mix smooth and rough surfaces, such as a soft rug on a textured wooden floor. Display art and accessories. Add some personality to your space by displaying art and accessories that reflect your interests and style. This could include anything from photographs and paintings to decorative objects and textiles. Lighting. Proper lighting is key to creating a comfortable and welcoming home. Choose a variety of lighting options, including overhead lighting, table lamps, floor lamps, and candles. Incorporate personal touches. Display items that are meaningful to you, such as family photos or treasured mementos. This will make your home feel more personal and unique. Personalize. Add personal touches to your home with items that have meaning to you, like family photos or travel souvenirs. Add some plants. Plants are a great way to bring life and color into your home. Choose plants that are easy to care for and suit the lighting and temperature conditions of your home. Keep it organized. Clutter can detract from the beauty of your home. Make sure to keep things tidy and organized, and invest in storage solutions if necessary. Remember, decorating a home is a personal process and should reflect your own taste and style. Have fun and experiment with different ideas until you find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.